Hello everyone. In this video, we are continuing with the numericals of gravitation chapter. So let's first do the numerical given on page 192 NCERT, example 8.3. This is example 8.3 NCERT. Find the potential energy of a system of 4 particles placed at the vertices of square of side L. So this is a square of side L. And 4 particles are placed at the vertices. So let's consider that these 4 particles have same masses. These are kept at the vertices of the square. This is the diagonal. This is another diagonal. Let's mark the vertices as A, B, C and D. Let's mark the center of the square as O. So first thing is we have to find the potential energy of the system. And second, we have to find the potential at the center of the square. We know what is the formula for the potential energy. The formula for the potential energy of two masses, that is gravitational potential energy, is G first mass, second mass upon separation with a minus sign, because gravitational potential energy is negative. Now here the formula for potential we'll write later. We have to consider all the pairs, right? We have this one pair, this second pair, this third pair, this fourth pair, which are adjacent to each other, and two pairs which are diagonally opposite. So what will be the total potential energy? The total potential energy is equal to potential energy due to 4 pairs which are adjacent plus potential energy of the two pairs which are diagonally opposite. So what are these? Look at the diagram. We have this one pair AB, its potential energy will be minus G m upon L. This will be minus G m upon L. This will be minus G m upon L. This will be minus G m upon L. What about these diagonally opposite pairs? This will be minus G m upon diagonal. This will be minus G m upon diagonal. So how will I write that? So I can write this 4 times of minus G m upon L plus. How many diagonally opposite pairs are there? One pair is this and one pair is this. So I can write 2 times of minus G m upon diagonal. So this can be written as minus 4 G m square upon L minus 2 G m square upon, how can I find the diagonal? I can find the diagonal by Pythagoras theorem. Diagonal square is equal to L square plus L square. So diagonal is equal to 2L square under root. So this gives me L root 2. So I will write it L root 2. So let's solve this. This will be minus 4 G m square upon L. I'm taking 2 over here. So this will give me 2 plus 1 by root 2. Now what am I supposed to find out? I have to find out the potential at the center. So second is potential at the center, that is at O. This is, the formula is minus G mass upon distance of that point where we are finding the potential. Now we know that potential and potential energy both are scalar quantities. That's why we are adding all the potential energies. This is minus G m upon R. We know that potential is a scalar quantity and potential energy is also a scalar quantity. So we are adding all the potential energies or potentials. So potential at O is equal to potential due to A plus potential due to B plus potential due to C plus potential due to D. And we know that here AO is equal to OC, CO is equal to BO is equal to DO. So what will be the potential formula? At O is equal to minus G m upon AO minus G m upon BO minus G m upon CO minus G m upon DO. This can also be written as minus 4 times G m upon AO is how much? AO is diagonal upon 2, that is L root 2 upon 2, that is L upon root 2. So I am putting this value here. So V at O is equal to minus 4 times G m upon L by root 2. We can put the value of 1.41 in place of root 2. So this gives me this is small. So this is potential at O. So let's take the next question now. So this 8.4 is very important to understand the concept of neutral point. So here this is given that the two uniform solid spheres, you are given a solid sphere of mass m, another solid sphere of mass 4m, but these have same radii. So they have given that the radii is same. Have a center to center separation 6r. So center to center separation, this is 6r. The two spheres are held fixed. A projectile of mass m is projected from the surface of the sphere of mass m. This is kept here, surface of first mass, and it is projected from this surface towards the center of the second sphere. Obtain an expression for the minimum speed v. So this is thrown here somewhere, okay, with speed v. Now they are asking for the speed of the projectile. See, we have to find a point at which the net gravitational pull is 0. So then after it will be attracted by the, it has to cross the neutral point, then after it will be attracted by the second mass automatically. So at neutral point, where is the neutral point? We have to find that. So at n, net gravitational force is 0. So how to find that? So this will be g first mass into small mass upon x distance from the first sphere center. So gmm upon x square, and for this mass at here, this point and this sphere, first mass is small m, second mass is 4 times of capital M, upon separation will be 6r minus x whole square, right? So let's solve this. So what will it be? 6r minus x whole square upon x square is equal to 4. That means 2 square. So I can write 6r minus x upon x is equal to 2. This can be written as 6r minus x is equal to 2x. Therefore, 6r is equal to 3x. Or you can say x is equal to 2r. So x is 2r. What does that mean? That this separation is also r. Now we have to find the total energy of this mass when it is at the surface of Earth. So total energy at the surface, Earth first mass of the first planet. This will be initially, how much was the kinetic energy? This was kinetic energy at the surface plus potential energy. So kinetic energy at the surface will be half mv square if I am providing velocity v. What will be the potential energy of this mass? So this potential energy of this mass will be due to this planet and also due to this planet. So let's find the separation between these two. This is R. Separation between these two is 5R. So what will be the formula? We know the formula for the energy, potential energy, that is minus G, first mass, second mass upon separation. The potential energy between this and this will be minus G. First mass is this, second mass is capital M into 4 upon separation is this. We know that during its whole journey, the total energy will be conserved. So I can say that the total energy on the surface must be equal to the total energy at N. So left side I will write this, and for total energy at N I will calculate. Now right hand side is total energy at N. So at N point, what will be the diagram like? This is small m, this is 4m. So neutral point is 4r away from the second mass, and it is 2r away from the first mass at neutral point. So I am talking about neutral point. So what will be the total energy at N? This will be minus G. First m is capital M. Second mass is small m upon 2r. For this minus G, small m is the first mass, 4m is the second mass, and the separation between the two is this. So let's mark these as so this is total energy at the first planet. I am marking this as first equation and this as second equation. So first must be equal to second, because the total energy at this surface must be equal to total energy at the neutral point. So I will write half mv square minus g mm upon r minus g m into 4m upon 5r must be equal to minus g m upon 2r minus g m 4m upon 4r. Right? So from here I can find this. I can cancel small m. So divide the equation by small m. So this will give me, let's divide it by m by 2. So what will I get? M by 2 means here I will get v square only minus g m upon r into 2 minus g into 2 into 4 m upon 5r is equal to minus g m upon r minus g 4 m upon 2r. Right? So if I solve it for v square, this will give me, I'll shift it on the right side. So minus g m upon r minus g 4m upon 2r plus 2g m upon r plus 2g 4m upon 5r. So let's take a few things common. I can take minus gm upon r common. So this is minus 1 and this is minus, I have taken minus now. So this will be plus 1, this will be plus gm upon r I have taken outside. So this will be 2, cancel out, and minus 2, and this will be plus, this will also be minus minus 4 upon 5 8 upon 5. So gm upon r I have taken common. Let me cross check. Here 1 will remain, here plus 2 will remain, here minus 2 will remain, and here minus 8 upon 5 will remain. So this gives me v square is equal to minus gm upon r, and this is cancelled. So 5 minus 8, this is minus 3 upon 5. So this gives me 3 upon 5 gm upon r. So v will be under root of 3 upon 5 gm upon r. So this is the result. So let me recap the concept. The concept is that the total energy is conserved. Concept here is total energy is conserved at every point. So when we are projecting it from the surface of the first planet, the total energy at the surface is equal to total energy at the neutral point, and after neutral point it will be automatically attracted by the gravitational pull of the other planets. So that's all for now. Have a nice day.